How to make homemade bird repellent spray. Sometimes birds can be the biggest problem you have with a garden. They eat the seeds, pick away at the growing plants and destroy a newly developing garden. There is a spray that you can make at home, however, that has been known to successfully and safely repel birds from your plants. Things you will need: 2 dozen chili peppers, plastic half-gallon bottle, water, knife to dice chili peppers, white or red vinegar, pine spray bottle. Step 1. Cut or crush the 2 dozen chili peppers in a small bowl. Cut them with a knife to mash well. Step 2. Fill an empty plastic half-gallon container with water. Add the chili peppers to the half-gallon. Cover and shake well. Step 3. Put the half-gallon container out in the sun to ferment for 5 days. After that, bring it inside the house. Step 4. Add 1/4 cup white or red vinegar to the chili and water mixture. Shake it well. Now it is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the empty 1 pint spray bottle. Put the rest of the chili mixture away in storage. Step 5. Spray the mixture on the plants and in the areas that birds regularly visit. The spray should work to repel the birds from eating the seeds and ruining the plants. Repeat this process every few days.